Hello everyone, let's talk about yoga. Yoga is the first personal development practice ever created more than 5,000 years ago in India. Yoga was created to cultivate health and well-being in our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual body, and incorporates a series of ancient philosophies, principles, and practices that are still very relevant today. Yoga is not just a physical practice with movements and postures you might experience in a traditional yoga class. The physical practice is only one of 8 other elements of yoga, which amongst others include the practice of concentration, meditation, and one that has become very popular these days, breathwork. Yoga is a spiritual practice, but we don't have to be spiritual to receive all the benefits that yoga has to offer. It is important to know that the physical practice is a practice of surrendering. Here we are not trying to achieve anything, but to just be present with what our body is showing us in every posture we move into. It's very sad that these days in our society, yoga has become a fitness practice, and even worse, a fashionable trend led by social media and people who are more focused on showing off their acrobatic abilities than to share yoga. Yoga is for everyone, and everyone can benefit from it. You don't need to be flexible to practice yoga. You don't need any special outfit to practice or have any particular body type to receive all the benefits that yoga has to offer. Studies these days show that yoga, including the physical practice, meditation, and breathwork, is one of the most cost-effective practices to overcome stress and anxiety and to increase our overall well-being. As I always say to all my friends, yoga is all we need. If you want to learn more or come to practice with me, reach out on the comments below. Thank you. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you.